Okay, this is my 2011 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. Just put on the Akrapovic mid-pipe and slip-on. Still have the stock headers on it. Bought this from a good guy out of Chicago, Illinois. U.S. Army soldier. Take a walk around the bike. I bought this about approximately 4 weeks ago from Nassau Power Sports in Fernandina Beach, Florida. I'll go ahead and crank this up. Also removed the servo motor on it, put a servo eliminator module on it, and got rid of the cables. It has a really nice, deep, throaty sound to it. It's quite nice. I like it. It doesn't sound like popcorn. Alright, it's time to go ride it.